Hello everyone, I'm a SalvationDATA tech specialist. Today, I'm going to show you how to repair the head read-only problem of a Seagate Barracuda 7200.10 in terminal mode. When HDD has read-only problem, it will not be detected in BIOS and OS. In order to find the problem, first, we need to connect the HDD to HDDATA. We power on. We switch to terminal mode, and in terminal mode, in continuous, it displays the messages. Read retries. This is the message indicates the possible physical or logical head read-only problem. And you can say also the status is busy, and the HDD parameters are not shown. So if we switch to the sector viewer, we cannot see the sectors. So how can we judge if the firmware are logical or physical problem? We can do this by updating the firmware. If a firmware could be updated, then it is not a physical problem. The logical head read-only problem is usually caused by corrupted glist or smart list. When they are corrupted, the HDD will protect itself and it will disable the write function. So now I'll do the repair step by step. First, we switch to other operation and we click switch to level F. And when it's done, we go back to terminal mode. And we press enter or Ctrl Z. It's the same. Now it's F. It's level F now. And we type the capitalized R. It will read the HDD parameters to the memory. And we type J, 22 to go back to level T. Okay, and we type R again, the capitalized R again. Okay, now we press Ctrl R to load the CRT. And we go to level 1 and type capitalized F. The F command is very important. Its function is to ignore the write error. When this is done, and we go back to T again, we type I4, 22 to clear the glist. And now we've done the procedures. Now we can power off and on to see what will happen. And now you can see the status is ready, and we click here. You can see the parameters are shown, and we'll now check the sectors. And now you can see the sectors are accessible. You can try different sectors. Okay, it's good now. So now we finish the case.